Now going further, comparison of segments. Now you see, if the length of AB is less than length of CD, you can see very nicely. So you can write that AB is less than CD. We will write down segment AB less than segment CD. दोनों equal रहेंगे तो equal to का sign डालेंगे. If it is greater than, you can write it segment CD is greater than segment AB. So like this you can compare the two segments by comparing their length. Then coming to perpendicularity of segment or face. When you say that two segments are perpendicular, now see AB is one segment and CD is cutting it. If it is cutting it at exact 90 degrees, then it is known as perpendicular segments. I'll give you some example where the lines are cutting but they are not perpendicular. Suppose I have AB like this. This is my AB and this is your CD. Now this angle is not 90. So this is not an example of perpendicular. Perpendicular means it has to be totally straight like this. If this is AB, then this 90 degrees. Okay. If you have AB like this, if you have AB like this straight and you have CD like this, then this is not, then they are not perpendicular because these angles are not 90 degrees. Exactly, you know how you write a plus. Okay. That is two perpendicular lines. Now, going further, distance of a point from a line. You want to find the distance of a point from a line. Now suppose AB is a line and this is the point C. How do you find the distance? Now I'll explain you this also with the help of one example. Now suppose this is the line AB. Okay, this is the line AB and this is the point C. You want to find the distance of this point C from AB. Now some will say let us connect like this. Some will say no, we'll connect like this. We will connect like this. We will connect. There are so many ways you can draw a line joining AC and this line AB, the point C and AB. But then which is the length? This or this? So length is always the perpendicular what you draw to the line. Okay. So CD is going to give you the distance of point C from AB. So if you want to find the distance of any point from a line, you have to draw perpendicular from that point to the line. Draw 90 degrees and that is only going to be the distance. Not these slanting lines are not going to be the distance. Clear? This is the meaning of distance of a point from a given line. Okay? Now, you have practice set 1.2. You can start. Following table shows points on a number line. So you have to, and their coordinates are given. Decide whether the pair of segments given below the table are congruent or not. Now segment DE and AB. Now DE, you know how to find length of DE? You have studied in 1.1. Coordinates are given. So find length of DE. Then find length of AB. If they are same, right, that since the length of AB or distance, पहले distance find करो. चलो DE का distance कैसे find करेंगे? Coordinate of E is 9, coordinate of D is -7. So 9 is greater than -7. So we will write 9 minus -7. So 9 plus 7, 16. Okay. So distance of D is 16. So segment D is 16 units. What about AB? Same way find length of AB. It will be 5 minus -3. That is 5 plus 3, 8. So 16 and 8. They are two different numbers. So D is not congruent to AB. Okay. Start solving this. I'll be guiding you further.